This is the continuation of its previous part. I hope you watched it. If not, I strongly recommend you to watch it before you watch this video. So my dear student friends, shall we start? Customers also enjoy some rights and obligations as its bankers do. So, what are the rights and obligations of customers? Rights of customers. First one, right to fair treatment. Customers have right to be treated with courtesy. The customer should not be unfairly discriminated against on the grounds such as gender, age, religion, caste, and physical ability when offering and delivering financial products. Second one, right of transparent, fair, and honest dealing. The contract between the banks and customers should be easily understood by the common man. It is the responsibility of the bank to make the customer understand interest rates, the risk involved, and all other terms and conditions. Banks should not hide anything from the customer before the signing of the agreement. Even if there are any shortcomings, they should be communicated to the customer. The language in the contract should be simple and easily understood. Third one, right to suitability. You might have come across a lot of cases of mis-selling of financial products, especially life insurance policies. Usually, customers are forced to buy the product which offers the highest commission to an agent. As per this right, customers should be sold the product which is suitable to them. So, banks should always keep customers' need in mind before selling any product. Fourth one, right to privacy. Customers' personal information should be kept confidential unless they have offered specific consent to the bank or such information is required to be provided under the law. Fifth one, right to grievance redressal and compensation. The customer has a right to hold the bank accountable for the products offered and to have a clear and easy way to have any valid grievances redressed. Obligations of customers. First one, it is the duty of customers to present the check and other negotiable instruments only during the business hours of the bank. Second one, in the case of any disagreement in the bank statement, customers should inform the bank. Third one, whenever photographs of customers are required by the bank, it should be submitted. Fourth one, the check should be filled by customers very carefully. Fifth one, if the checkbook is lost or stolen, it is the duty of the customers to inform the bank. Sixth one, if the customer notices any forgery in the amount of the check, he or she should inform it to the bank immediately. Seventh one, customers should provide proper information in the Know Your Customer KYC form. Eighth one, customers should make the repayment of all the dues on time. Ninth one, it is the duty of the customers to read the MITC, most important terms and conditions. So these are the rights and obligations of customers. So my dear student friends, I hope you understood the concept. If not, watch it again. Still, if you have any doubts, ask in the comment section. So, we completed the first module. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do subscribe to it and don't forget to press the bell icon. Happy learning. Bye bye.